Did you know that Facebook has over 2.9 billion monthly active users? That's almost 40% of the world's population. But here's the exciting part. Most people are scrolling, liking, and commenting without realizing they could be using Facebook to make serious cash. That's right, if you're not leveraging Facebook to earn money, you're leaving potential income on the table. Want to change that? Keep watching. If you're ready to uncover 5 hidden strategies for making money on Facebook, this video is for you. And the best part, you can start seeing results within a week. Stick around until the end, because the final strategy is a total game changer. It could even help you build a full-time income stream. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Next week, we'll explore more ways to boost your wealth and create a financial cushion for the future. You don't want to miss it. Alright, let's get started. Pay attention, this could transform how you use social media forever. First up, Facebook Marketplace flipping. Get ready to unlock a treasure trove of opportunities. Facebook Marketplace is an absolute goldmine for anyone willing to put in a little effort. Imagine turning hidden gems into cash. It's like a giant online yard sale where you can buy low and sell high. The possibilities are endless. Here's how it works. Scour the marketplace for undervalued items like furniture, electronics, or even vintage clothing. Your next big find is just a click away. Then clean them up, take stunning photos, and relist them at a higher price. Watch your profits soar. Pro tip, focus on items people need fast, like household appliances or baby gear. These are hot sellers. And here's a bonus, if you find free items, your profit margin is 100%. How amazing is that? Let's move on to the second strategy. Get ready for more exciting tips. Second, building a Facebook group for a niche audience. This is where the magic happens. Imagine having a vibrant community of thousands of people passionate about the same topic: fitness, travel, gaming, or parenting. That's the incredible power of Facebook groups. But how does this translate into money? Simple. Once you grow your group, you can monetize it through sponsorships, paid memberships, or affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless. Here's how to do it. Pick a niche that's both popular and something you're passionate about. Passion is key. Create a group with a catchy name and a clear description. Make it stand out. Post valuable content regularly to keep members engaged. Consistency is your best friend. Pro tip: partner with brands that align with your niche. Collaboration is powerful. For example, if you run a fitness group, collaborate with supplement companies or workout gear brands. It's a win-win. Keep watching, because the next strategy could turn your Facebook profile into a money-making machine. Let's do this. Third, selling digital products. Are you talented in designing, writing, or creating content? Then selling digital products is your golden opportunity. Facebook empowers you to post and promote your own ebooks, courses, templates, or presets directly on your profile or through groups. Why digital products? Because they have almost no overhead costs, and once you create them, they can sell repeatedly. Here's how to start. Identify what you're great at. It could be writing how-to guides, creating social media templates, or designing photo presets. Use free tools like Canva or Google Docs to create your product. Promote it on your Facebook page or in niche groups. Pro tip: create a short teaser video showcasing your product's value. Videos perform better on Facebook and are more likely to grab attention. Next up, offering freelance services through Facebook. Did you know that Facebook is brimming with potential clients eager to hire freelancers? Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or virtual assistant, you can showcase your talents by joining job boards and niche groups. Post your portfolio, share glowing testimonials, and actively respond to posts seeking help. Pro tip: use Facebook stories and your personal profile to highlight your amazing work. For instance, if you're a designer, share before and after images of your projects. People absolutely love visuals, and this can make you truly stand out from the crowd. Now, let's dive into our final strategy. It's a total game changer. Fifth, Facebook ads consulting. Here's the exciting part. Most businesses know they need Facebook ads but don't know how to run them effectively. That's where you come in. If you're willing to learn, you can offer your services as a Facebook ads consultant. And the best part? You don't need prior experience, just a willingness to learn. Start by taking free tutorials on YouTube, or enrolling in affordable online courses. Then, reach out to small businesses or local shops that could benefit from more exposure. Here's how to pitch your service. Offer a free or discounted trial campaign to prove your skills. Show them the results, like increased website traffic or sales. Once they're impressed, charge for your ongoing services. Pro tip: use Facebook's Ads Manager to run test campaigns for yourself or friends before offering your services professionally. And here's the bonus strategy I promised: combining multiple streams. Want to multiply your earnings? Combine these strategies and watch your income soar. For example, grow a Facebook group around digital products and then promote your freelance services within that group. The possibilities are endless. Or, use Facebook ads to drive traffic to your marketplace listings. The sky's the limit. The more strategies you combine, the more money you'll make. Imagine the potential. Now that you know how to make money on Facebook using these hidden strategies, check out our suggested video for even more ways to increase your wealth. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. The clock is ticking. Start now and watch your income grow exponentially. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? The future is in your hands. Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and success stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to boost your income and achieve your goals. See you next time.